Kia ora anō tātou. Today we're going to look at the information that helps Council make a decision on the representation review. This review involves deciding the number of councillors for general and Māori wards, how councillors are elected, and whether or not there should be community boards. Council needs to use population data from 2020 statistics to work out how many people live in different areas of the Whakataane District. This data helps to decide the different ward boundary options and how many elected members will fairly represent each area. It also shows us communities of interest. So what is a ward? A ward is simply a geographical area outlined by boundaries. We currently have 4 wards in Aotearoa: Rangitaiki, Taneatua, Whakatane Ōhope and Murupara Galatea. And what are communities of interest? Communities of interest, or hapori whaipanga, are areas where people feel a sense of belonging and have access to goods and services. Roads and geographical features such as maunga or mountains can contribute to defining communities of interest. Communities of interest in Aotearoa are important as they determine the number of councillors who will represent them. Nō reira, in summary, the 2020 population data helps Council determine who lives where the ward boundaries should be, and how everyone will be fairly represented. If you have any pātai, check out our website whakatane.govt.nz/rep review, or please feel free to comment below. Keep an eye out for more information videos on the representation review coming out soon. Kia ora tātou.